Spotlight, spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so by mine. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You are now watching I Stay Josh, and how are you doing? Alright, me and my boy ZL1 Loso is looking for a muffler shop. I want to do a muffler delete on the ZL1. I need a little more noise. We just went to, I posted on the page, we went to this location and they wanted $700 to cut off my mufflers. So I just called A1. Oops, sorry about that. I just made a call to A1 Muffler Shop. They told me they could do it for $400. We are in Hawaii, so the price is gonna be ridiculous. You get what you pay for. It is what it is. But let's go ahead and check it out. ZL1 Loso missed the light because he's in this slow truck today. And then we'll go from there. Peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like the content. You already know how we doing it. We about to pull the whip in. I thought I was recording this whole time, but was it? So we'll see. I gotta turn around. Anyways, like I said, I went to the muffler shop earlier, and they wanted $700 to cut it off, right? Only like about 3 feet. The muffler, maybe about 2 feet long. And if you guys don't know, on the Camaro ZL1, there is a little extra piece that is flattened out. I want that gone as well. One of the shop told me he was like, yeah, it's gonna be $700. I was like, nah, I can't justify that, honestly. $700 can be, that's a lower pulley for me. Muffler delete, it's a horsepower gain. A lower pulley is definitely another 20 to 40 horsepower gain. I'd rather just do that. Simple. So I don't understand why these people trying to tax me out here. You know, I know it's due to COVID and shit, but God, military discount, please, please. Look at my baby. I mean, we already faster than Loso, you feel me? We just gotta sound like Loso now, you feel me? What?
You never call me Loso, you call me Luso.
Look at this dude. Now you wanna sit here and complain? Alright, that's fine. Loso, I won't call you Luso no more. I should call your ass Fabuloso, but it's all good. On to the next slide. Oh. So this is what we want gone. You see this ugly behind muffler, bro? This shit look like if a big girl took her shirt off and what you would see underneath. Alright, so we came up with a plan of what we're gonna do, right? We're taking off the muffler. We are going to put on some bigger tips, alright? So all my ladies that watch the video, when a brother say just a tip, this is what he means. Alright, he got 2 kids, so he don't know shit about that. Alright, so we're gonna cut from right here on back. I want to get where it's fucking squished a little bit, but that's another day, another dollar. Because I tell that motherfucker something, he gonna tell me another 300. All right, so we're gonna take the muffler off. Like I said, you can tell it's super restricted, right? A lot of pressure builds up. You have these pressure little release valves in here. And look at all this fucking black soot and shit that comes out. So muffler gotta go. All right, then we're gonna work our way in. And we are going to go ahead and take off the secondary cats. We're gonna keep the first so we don't throw any O2 sensors off. Again, once we do the headers, then we will be straight. But now we will have to do high flow cats because I ain't trying to be like Loso out here fucking throwing out diesel truck.
Hey, fuck the pollution, right?
Yeah, out here killing all the fucking turtles and the pigeons and shit. But that's what we're gonna go with. Y'all ready for this? In Florida, this would have cost about $400. All right. Like 250, because Florida, no offense, you know, shout out to all my Mexicans out there, but Florida has a lot of Mexicans, a lot of mom and pop shops. Then I actually use them on the SS if y'all want to see the older videos. And I mean, I did all this shit for maybe 250. Out here, price tag, drum roll please, 800 fucking dollars. I mean, that's a upper and lower pulley set right there. Or that is a nitrous outlet set. That is a meth kit. Yeah, so it's bouncing. It's an issue about bouncing back and forth from sounding good to looking good to wanting to fucking move fast. Is it gonna gain power? No. Technically, a lot of big tuners, Texas Speed, Jeremy from Faster Prong said you actually lose about 5 horsepower going straight pipe because you have no back pressure and you actually lose horsepower. But it's not all about the numbers, it's about how you feel about your car, right? So losing 5 horsepower, gaining a fucking miles per gallon, whatever the bullshit people like to say, better sound, I can go with that. And then later on we'll just make up for it somewhere else. I wasted a whole bunch of $1,000 from Icon, $270 for the part, $280 for shipping, and I did that twice. So that's where I fucked up at. But we'll come back at it. It's about time for some new front tires because I have a whole bunch of balls in the tire. I just noticed. If you look up front here, you see all these. I mean, these tires are 3 months old and they already can't keep up. So you see all these little nipples in the tire. We got to get that fixed. That ain't gonna be fun, but all right. By the whip, that been looking shiny.
Oh, man.
Back. He can't drive for shit, bro. He can't drive. Look at that.
I'll go for it just a little bit.
Thank God Dodge put this screen, because God damn.
Sir.
Lord Jesus. Said, let me drive the boat. God damn. Finish the car, bro. He better be done. Oh. I hope this work out, man. I hope the car looking nice. Shiny.
Can you see?
I like it. She's shiny.
So this is the part right here.
Yes, sir. Okay, she's shiny right now. We're underneath right now. All right, so there goes the poles. I know some people might be like, oh, it's a little thinner or whatever, but it worked. It works. Took off that middle. Took off these. Ugly shits had to go. Hey, look inside of this though. Oh, bro, come here. Come here, bro. Bro, look inside. So I'm glad this is gone because that's what it looked like in the inside. All that restriction. Man recorded about 2 minutes talking to the camera and ain't nothing come on. But look, all that room. But that's a good like 60 pounds. 60 pounds off. Yeah.
Now you probably can maybe beat me.
Whatever. Hell yeah. It's a big red button on there. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna show. Alright, we about to drop this, guys, and then listen to it. So.
I'm about to get dropped and first start up right now.
Yeah. About to sound better than yours, boy. No, I'm playing. I need headers. Woo-wee. You know what I'm saying? $800 rims. The rims are fine.
Hey, you get those. You sit up for you.
Alright, go. You can get on the side real quick.
Hey. That's how it's supposed to look.
Yeah, let me take a peek.
Look, take a look at it. Angle, it fits the body.
Yeah.
No, not straight. Oh, like those other guys.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, it's good, yeah. Look, I might have to bring mine back over here. Have me do my tips for me.
Nah, you go back to Hawaii, whatever you went to.
Yeah, you know. Alright, first start up, y'all. Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Your butter is cold.
I love it. Alright guys, thank you for watching the channel. Again, I am so in love. The fact that I took off the resonators off my 2018 ZL1, and I just want to give you guys one more start. It's been like an hour, so it should be, or an hour or two, so it should be cold.
colder than me. I'm straight from the mud, I got me a plug, and now I be rolling with Meech. You think you the shit, I think you a bitch. Now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be home in the week. I hit up Tory and told him, I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beef. Told him we could be friends, invited him over and gave him some soda and bleach. They said, Jonah, you lost it. I told them they soft. Now go take a stroll on the beach. Nigga, I got the sauce. Bitch, I'm a dog. Just don't get a hold of my leash. Yeah, nigga, back to the bluff.